All right, I've been testing the Redmi Buds 8 Lite for a bit now, and for the price, around $20 to $35, you really start wondering how they packed this much in. First up, the sound. These 12.4mm drivers are all about that bass. And I mean it, hip-hop and EDM sound really fun on these. It's punchy, warm, and honestly a bit addictive. The trade-off? Vocals sit a little further back, and the highs aren't super detailed. You do get EQ controls in the app, though, and boosting the treble helps balance things out nicely. ANC is surprisingly decent for this range. It won't fully silence everything, but it kills off low rumbles like fans or traffic pretty well. Battery life is another win, about 8 hours on the Buds, and up to 36 with the case. So yeah, are they perfect? No. But for the price, they're honestly hard to complain about.